In this video, I'll guide you through how to find recorded video from Google Meet. If you've ever finished a meeting and wondered where that recording actually went, you're not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to look and how to get to your recordings quickly and reliably. First, let's talk about where Google Meet saves your recordings. Whenever a meeting is recorded using the built-in recording feature, the finished video file is automatically stored in Google Drive. You don't have to manually save it during the call. Google Meet handles that for you in the background once the meeting ends. So our main task is simply to navigate to the right place in Drive. To get started, open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser. Go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that was used to record the meeting, or the account that has been granted access to the recording. This part is important. If you're signed in with the wrong account, you won't see the recording at all, even if you were in the meeting. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see your usual folders and files. Google Meet automatically creates a special folder just for your meeting recordings. It's called Meet Recordings. If you've recorded at least one meeting before, this folder should already exist. On the left side of the screen, you can click on My Drive, then look through your list of folders until you find the one labeled Meet Recordings. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Type Meet Recordings into the search bar and press Enter. If the folder exists in your drive, it should appear in the search results. Click on it to open the folder. This is where Google Meet stores all the recordings for that account by default. Inside the Meet Recordings folder, you'll find the video files of your recorded meetings. Each file name usually includes the meeting title and the date and time of the recording. This makes it easier to recognize which file you need, especially if you record meetings regularly. Take a moment to scan through the list of recordings and look for the one you want. Now, select the recording you need. You can do this by clicking on the video file once. When you select it, you'll see options to play it, download it, or manage its sharing settings. If you just want to watch the recording, click to open it, and Google Drive will start playing the video in a preview window. If you need to save a copy to your computer, look for the download option, usually shown as a download icon near the top of the screen. You can also share the recording with others by adjusting the sharing settings. Use the share option to add specific people or create a link depending on how you want to distribute the recording. And just keep in mind that only people with the right permissions will be able to view or download it. And that's all there is to it. You open Google Drive, go to the Meet Recordings folder, and then select the recording you want. Once you know where to look, finding your Google Meet recordings becomes quick and straightforward every time.